LangChain Expression Language, or LCEL, is a declarative way to build AI pipelines by connecting LangChain components using a simple pipe operator. LCEL works much like a Unix pipeline. The output of one step automatically becomes the input to the next. Traditional LangChain required multiple intermediate variables, making applications harder to maintain as they grew. LCEL simplifies the same workflow into one elegant pipeline expression that's easier to read and compose. In LCEL, prompts, chat models, retrievers, tools, output parsers, and even custom Python functions all implement the Runnable interface. The output from one Runnable automatically becomes the input to the next, eliminating manual wiring. In LCEL, output chat parsers transform AI messages into cleaner formats, such as plain text or structured JSON. The LCEL makes common AI workflows like translation, summarization, and structured AGACT extraction incredibly simple. One of LCEL's most powerful features is running independent tasks simultaneously using RunnableParallel. The LCEL natively supports streaming responses, translation, batch processing, and asynchronous execution with minimal code changes. LCEL makes retrieval-augmented generation concise by composing retrievers, prompts, language models, and parsers into one readable pipeline. The LCEL is cleaner, reusable, composable, and scalable. If you're building chatbots, RAG systems, or AI agents, it's the modern way to build LangChain applications.